ASUS ScreenPad provides an efficient new way to interact with your laptop. Press the F6 key to turn on ScreenPad and start experiencing the amazing new features. The new ScreenPad 2.0 comes with several new features to improve your productivity. You can use ScreenPad as a secondary screen for cross-referencing, or simply open suitable apps on ScreenPad to make multitasking easier. ScreenPad 2.0 gives you a smartphone-like interface, making it even more intuitive to use. As well as the built-in utilities, you can also use your favorite apps on ScreenPad. There are also shortcuts on the navigation bar to improve cross-display efficiency. With App Switcher, you can easily launch apps on the two displays on your laptop. Simply pull the video app onto the App Switcher icon to launch it on ScreenPad. Then you can multitask and get things done on the main display. If you wish to use the app back on the main display for a bigger viewing experience, swipe up to access the navigation bar, then tap the App Switcher icon on ScreenPad. You can also add apps onto ScreenPad by dragging the apps onto the Add icon. Added apps will automatically launch on the ScreenPad display when you tap on their app icons. Long press the icons to personalize the apps on ScreenPad. Drag to rearrange the order, or tap the X icon to remove them. Manage all open apps on ScreenPad by simply tapping the App Navigator icon. A list of these apps will appear, and you can drag individual apps to the Add block to add them on ScreenPad. Alternatively, you can drag the app to the App Switcher block to launch it on the main screen. You can also close opened apps through tapping the X icon, or simply click the app windows to maximize the app on ScreenPad. If you want to use ScreenPad as a touchpad, Mode Switch brings back standard touchpad capabilities for your regular workflow. Simply tap the top right corner to return to ScreenPad mode. You can also quick tap with 3 fingers to temporarily give you cursor control. It will revert back to ScreenPad after 2 seconds without use. This comes in handy if you only need the touchpad function for a few seconds. You can also turn off ScreenPad completely by pressing the F6 key. This key toggles ScreenPad on and off whenever you wish. Your favorite apps can be used on ScreenPad, but there are several special built-in utility apps for your convenience. The new Quick Key app lets you create your own hotkeys, triggering complicated key combinations with a single tap. You can program it to open Windows settings, and then minimize the window with just 2 taps. These hotkeys will adapt to whatever app you're using for maximum productivity in any app. With the Handwriting app, you can input handwritten text in an intuitive way. It supports all Windows languages with handwriting recognition support. ScreenPad SlideXpert, DocXpert, and SheetXpert apps make your work easier and more efficient in Microsoft Office. For example, simply launch PowerPoint or other Office apps on the main screen and open the corresponding ASUS app on ScreenPad. Enjoy fingertip control for features such as changing text size, colors, presentation mode, and more. To explore more, go to Settings to adjust ScreenPad brightness, change your background or resolution, or learn more by going through the interactive quick guide. More improvements will come with online updates, so you can always enjoy the latest features on ScreenPad. Explore the endless possibilities of ScreenPad by customizing your own workflow. It's more flexible and efficient than ever.